Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, welcome to Divers Direct. What brings you in tonight?
I've never been here before. I'm just wandering around.
Oh, well, would you like me to take you on a tour around the store so you can see what we have to offer?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Great, follow me. My name's Eric, by the way.
Nice to meet you.
Over here, we carry action cameras like GoPro Insta360, which is new for us, about a year. Great action cameras. If you follow me this way, over here we have our BCDs. We carry brands like Aqualung, Mares, Scuba Pro, Atomic. This is our red counters, so these are all of our regulators as well as octos in the same brands. Right here we have our weights, so we offer both vinyl coated, hard lead, and shot weights, so freediving weights or BCD weights. We also have the accessories to allow you to wear them with freediving. Against this wall here, another accessory wall, we offer hoses, dive knives, as well as some great wrist computers and gauge computers. Some of our popular brands are Garmin and Shearwater. Down this aisle here, this is all of our scuba fins, if you couldn't tell. So we have scuba fins, snorkel fins, and then rounding out the aisle down there at the end is our freediving fins. We also offer the boots in high top and low top to go with the fins. This is our mask aisle. So here's all of our masks as well as the snorkels, both semi-dry and dry, and mask accessories. This is like our gear accessory aisle, so like little clips that you need to attach gear to you, mouthpieces, that sort of thing. Over here on the left is our tank aisle. So boots, valve caps for your tanks, anything like that you need, we got it down here. Over here, we have our emergency aisle. So if there's any kind of problems that you may have, we have flashlights, surface marker buoys, snorkel vests, life jackets, and then of course, if you're diving off the beach, you need a dive flag. Down here, we offer some smaller mesh bags, just stuff to keep your gear in, simple, keep it organized. You can hose it off while it's in the bag. We also offer combo kits in children's and full face masks that have the snorkel attached. Down here, probably our most popular aisle, adult combo kits. So mask and snorkel, everything to get you in the water. Right here, great popular item. These are our hookah systems, also called third lungs. Those allow you to not have tanks and basically breathe underwater while that floats on the surface. Over here we have our freediving section. So we have freediving masks, which are lower volume masks. And then at the end there, prescription. We offer those in a single vision distance lens. So if you can't see while you're diving, we can get you seeing stuff. Over here, this is our hunting section. So gloves to grab the critters, lobstering gear, you have your nets, your tickle sticks, that sort of thing, everything to get the bugs. Last but not least, spear guns. Get down there, get some hogfish. We also offer bands to replace, tips in case you shear a tip off in the rocks, pole spears. Coming through here, in case you're wanting to go out at night instead of being in the water all day, we offer men's apparel. That's followed up by shoes. You gotta put something on your feet when you go out. That leads us into shoes for women, as well as water shoes for both men, women, and kids, in case you go on that excursion on that cruise. Over here, plenty of wetsuits. We offer everything from 1 mil skin suits up to 5 mil, both men's, women's, and children's. We have full suits, short suits. In case the weather gets rainy on the boat, we've got water jackets. Then, because we have men's apparel, we got women's apparel. Same thing. Bathing suits, shorts, shirts, dresses, everything to go out at night. You need accessories to go along with your outfit. We carry Freestyle. Sunglasses, popular, everybody knows out in the ocean. Brands like SunCloud, Smith, and Costa. And then coming up this way, check it out, underwater scooters. Great toys, have fun. Also carry Lafitte scooters, accessories, and other camera equipment. So these are cameras that you can use diving that aren't action cameras. Then, in case you're not certified to dive, we got you covered there too. We offer mini courses. We have students that come sign up with us. We also have instructors that we work with. So if you need to take an additional course, we can get you signed up for that in case you're already certified.